So today's topic is energies of orbitals. So what is the meaning of energies of orbitals? It is the energy required to remove an electron present in a particular orbit of an atom, or the amount of energy released when we add an electron into the orbital of an atom. In more simple manner, जब हम किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन को किसी एटम के पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिट से निकालते हैं तो हमें कुछ एनर्जी लगानी पड़ती है. दैट एनर्जी कैन बी कॉल्ड द एनर्जी ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल. या फिर जब हम किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन को किसी एटम के ऑर्बिटल में ऐड कराते हैं, इंक्लूड कराते हैं, उसमें जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है उसको हम बोल सकते हैं एनर्जी ऑफ दैट ऑर्बिटल. ओके, if we take the example of hydrogen atom, so as you know that the hydrogen atom contains a single electron, one proton and zero neutron. If we talk about the energy levels of the orbitals present in the hydrogen atom, so you can see the series 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. If you see this energy level diagram, where first is 1s, then 2s and 2p at the same level, and 3s, 3p and 3d are at same level. If you see in this series that that 2s is equal to 2p and 3s is equal to 3p and is also equal to 3d, and 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f, they have equal energies. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Actually, in the case of hydrogen atom, there is only one type of electrical interaction, and that is the attraction between the electron and the nucleus. So nucleus is actually positively charged and the electron is negatively charged, so they have attraction. Okay, so there is no repulsion possible. So when there is no repulsion between electrons inside the atom, in that case the subshells in a shell have same energy. As you can see that 2s, 2p, they have equal energy. 3s, 3p, 3d, they have equal energy. 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f, they have equal energies. So those orbitals which have equal energy, they are called degenerate orbitals. In more short, the orbitals of same energy, they are called degenerate orbitals. Okay, if you see in the energy level diagram, so I have written ground state and the excited state. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? The meaning of ground state is the lowest energy state of an electron. यानी किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए जो लोवेस्ट एनर्जी स्टेट पॉसिबल है एटम के अंदर, उसको हम बोलते हैं ग्राउंड स्टेट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन, और इसकी वैल्यू होती है -13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्साइटेड स्टेट? इट सिंपली मीन्स एनी स्टेट with energy greater than the ground state will be called excited state. That means in the case of excited state, the electron has more energy than in the ground state, and any electron can move from ground state to excited state and come back from excited to ground state. Okay, so I think that is sufficient for you. In the next video we will talk about energies of orbitals in that atom where we have more than one electron system. अभी जो हमने बात की है ये सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम के लिए था, जैसे हाइड्रोजन एटम या कोई भी ऐसा एटम या आयन जिसमें सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो इन दैट केस दिस explanation is considered. Thank you.